So you got
Open the window, let it
Chris.
fly out.
Chris, we're in Chris's
Hey,
car.
what's up, man?
Open the window.
He's
Open
getting
the window.
he's getting a car wash. You got Daniel in the back, and you got Brian. He's a lobster.
Brian, are you a lobster?
We were gonna bring
Brian Scott.
Daniel.
What? Are you a lobster? That's what it says.
We were gonna bring Daniel to karate.
Gotta
We were
get
gonna
it
go
open.
watch
You gotta open the
Dan
window.
Salemi do his crazy skills
Oh,
at
the window's
6:50. It's now 6:30.
Is that ready?
So,
Lay on the windshield.
whoa,
Watch this
whoa.
ready. Watch this ready.
Dude, that ruins
As you can see, the car is getting cleaned right now.
By washing away all the washer, it's not getting washed.
So yeah, we're just chilling in here. Getting a car wash. It's very fun. Anything to say, Daniel?
Nope, not really.
Are you sure about
Well,
that?
Yes,
Daniel's a
Are
back.
you sure about
He's a
that?
black
I
belt.
triple dog dare.
Not
you to be
really.
sure
No, he's
about
not a
that.
black belt. He's a white belt.
I am.
With the yellow stripe. Show off the yellow
One
stripe.
stripe.
He has one
And
stripe. That's
look
pretty
at that,
sweet.
He's got a bold look.
That's pretty sweet.
No, bold look.
Sweetness.
Oh, it's crazy.
Oh man, we're back to the washing again.
Chris, do you have any tunes?